from Locked On Sound. Today's video, we're going to do a rundown of our whole kit and caboodle. Everything we sell, down to the last remaining thing. We're going to start off with our slate. Slate turkey call. We also have this in aluminum and glass configurations. This one has a glass soundboard with a slate top. We're going to go down the sounds of all of them today as well. So we'll start off with the pretty simple, basic call. This is probably the most simplistic call we have. This is our push button turkey call. Each one comes engraved, but pretty easy. Push the button. That one's about as simple as it gets. We'll stick with the turkey theme. We'll go right down to our diaphragm calls. These come in 3 cuts configuration. I don't even know what one I have on me right now. That's not too bad. We'll go down to our grunt call. All our grunt calls are tube style. You can't order double barrels, but anything that's going to be on the store is going to be in tube style. It's also movable. Anywhere from, correct me if I'm wrong, Willie, fawn all the way down to, what, big buck?
Yep.
Perfect. Then we'll go over to our squirrel call, which a lot of people do not sell. And we don't sell a lot of, but we have it. Squirrel call. Move on to our predator call, all of which are adjustable to go into our duck calls as well. So if you want, obviously, a duck barrel, we can take it out and put it inside in case you would like multi-configuration call. You could really put your reed, a squirrel call, and a predator call, and a woody call all in one insert. So there's your predator call. Then we'll move on over to our woody call. There's your woody. Then we'll go on to our duck. We have single and double reed duck. This is a single reed. And then we offer our goose calls in Canadian, lesser, spec, and snow goose. I just have Canadian on us today, but we also, these are image rods, so we can do any image in a call for you. And then we have our acrylic base, and they do come in wood as well. They both sound identical. So just to prove, they both sound similar. And that should be everything that we have. We do have elk. You are correct, Mundo. And actually, do we have any elk on us? We don't have any elk on us, but we do sell elk calls.
Out of stock.
Out of stock. If I had one, I would show us, because those fit right into our barrels. The barrel configuration would be a little bit different on our elk calls, just because instead of blowing into the acrylic, you're going to hold it the other way, and it's going to come out of the acrylic. So we usually make them smaller and just a little bit more nice for the hand to hold. But we have no elk on us today, so I can't show you. But other than that, that's the whole rundown of everything. You can pretty much get it in any shape you want, any color you want. I mean, that's about it. It's a perfect call, right?
Perfect call.
And that's a Locked On Sound video. And subscribe and comment, you darn posers.